Hello beautiful people, and welcome back to my YouTube channel, The Relaxed Bee. I am Taya Sophie. Thank you so much for tuning in today. Over here I love talking about my own healthy hair journey, as well as sharing any tips or tricks that I definitely learned along the way. So if you're all about healthy hair, please make sure you subscribe to my YouTube channel, as well as give this video a thumbs up. Thank you. So in today's video, I'm going to be showing you one of my simple DIY recipes, making a simple moisturizing hair mask that you could actually use with some of the items that you should already have in your house. So if you're interested, let's get into this video. So I'm starting this recipe off with avocado. I'm using just a few ripe avocado that I had available in my fridge. I have this aloe plant that has also been sitting in the house for a little while, and coconut oil, one of my favorite oils these days, honey, as well as extra virgin olive oil. So I start off by just cutting open my avocado and just putting it into my mini blender. I'm using about 1.5 avocados for this recipe today. Currently my hair is really thick. I have a lot of new growth, so I need as much product as possible. I've washed my aloe leaf and now I'm just cutting it into smaller manageable pieces, taking off the sharp edges and then scraping all of that aloe vera jelly into my blender, adding it to my avocado. Avocado is rich in many vitamins, including biotin, and a lot of poly and monosaturated fats, which are the good fats that actually help in penetrating the hair strands. And as we all know, aloe vera is a great source of moisture and hydration. It has a lot of antibacterial benefits that help reduce an itchy scalp. So if you're someone who struggles with maybe your scalp feeling itchy even after a wash, this is a great mask that would help reduce any scalp irritations or inflammation that you might have and actually help in increasing your moisture content. Then I'm going in with about a tablespoon of coconut oil. Let's just say that's about 2 tablespoons. Coconut oil, again, is rich in a lot of monosaturated fats similar to avocado. And the oil has been, research has actually shown that coconut oil, same with olive oil, have the chemical structure to actually penetrate the hair strands. And then I add in about 2 tablespoons of my pure honey. Honey is a great humectant that's really good at just drawing moisture into your hair strands. And one of my new faves, amla powder. I'm just going to add about a teaspoon of amla powder. Amla is a great Ayurvedic herb that really helps nourish the scalp. This mask comes out beautifully. It's a thick consistency and it really helps in moisturizing your hair strands. Thank you so much for watching. I really hope you guys do try out this avocado mask routine. I found it to be very nourishing and moisturizing for my hair. I have different variations depending on what my hair needs, in which I do throughout the year or throughout the month. I will share the different variations that I have, but if you have any questions or if you try this out, please make sure you leave me a comment down below. I'd really love to hear how it's been able to help you in your own hair care journey. Thank you for watching.